it's Amy, and today we're going to do one of my most requested looks in the salon, which is a nice, simple, abstracty look. Enjoy! Right, first of all we're going to go in with my favourite nude, as always, Shy Time, and we're going to do 2 coats on each nail. Then when they've come out the lamp, we're going to take some gel residue wipe off solution on a lint-free wipe and just clean them down. On a clean palette, I'm going to use some of Pink Fairy Wings, which is in the Platinum collection. Put a little dot on, and then we're just going to take our nail and etch out where we want to paint. Our 001 brush, load our brush up and smarten them lines. Just making sure not to have any of the nails the same. When you finish, pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then we'll go in and top that up for a second coat, but with our brush. Pop that onto there. On our palette, we're going to take some Serious Black and pop a little bit, and with some gel residue wipe off solution and a lint-free pad, I'm just going to take off that sticky layer so our black doesn't bleed and line it. So we can use the 03 brush, which is a long striper brush. I do prefer a smaller brush to do that with. And we load that up with some black. And then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then we're going to go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds because it's a top coat. Then we're going to go in with Pink Pineapple, which is my favourite cuticle oil, and rehydrate those cuticles. So there we have it, a nice salon, quick, classy look. This is one of my most asked for looks in the salon because they are quite effective and you can do them with any colour. I've done it with foil before, with glitter, absolutely anything, and it always looks really, really good. So if you've liked this video, please feel free to like and comment, and all the products that we've used today will be listed in the description box below. Thanks for watching, bye!